Hey guys, Michael Kennedy here with the Move to D team here in Delaware and the YouTube channel Moving to Delaware Beaches. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget, like and subscribe down below, and please schedule your 30-minute Zoom call with us. We are so excited to be helping clients that are relocating here to the whole state of Delaware and definitely the Delaware beaches, because my slogan is, it's a rough life, but somebody's got to live it. Might as well be you. So more importantly, we are here to see Capstone Homes at Canaan Woods in Lincoln, Delaware. What's really unique about this community is you've got 3/4 acre to an acre plus home sites. Capstone Homes is one of the premier builders here in Sussex County at the beaches, and they are semi-custom, truly unique, where if you want to bump out a wall a couple feet, you can do it. If you want to stick to their floor plans, you can do that as well. So the great part about this one is we've got the Juliet model behind us, and that's what we're going to take a tour of today, because I really want you to see this, and hopefully you're going to fall in love with this house and obviously these home sites. So thanks for tuning in. Let's go take a tour of this bad boy. Hey guys, welcome to the Juliet and this awesome craftsman style, pink front door. But come on in, let's take a look at this beauty. So the great feature with this house is this floor plan's been around for a while for Capstone Homes. And like most of the other builders that have a very similar plan, this one is a crowd pleaser. Reason number one, your guest bedrooms are here in the front of the house. Reason number two, you've got this flex room, which can be a study with French doors. And number three, your primary suite is tucked away in the back corner. And this is also a 50-foot wide home. So now what that allows is pulling the accordion out. All these bedrooms are a little bit bigger versus the 40-foot plans, which have similar layouts or concepts. But a lot of those 40-footers don't have the study because they don't have the room for it. So speaking of the study, let's come in here and take a look. This one's really, you've got the pinks and the greens. It's got a really nice feel to it versus a lot of the other model homes that we've done videos for, but really nice space. And with this one, they did do the optional front facade with the front porch. So, you're looking right out the windows, you're looking out at the front porch. It's just got that great neighborhood feel. And then like we talked about is, number one big plus with this house, the guest bedrooms are tucked away here in the front. So you've got the hall bathroom, and then you've got guest bedroom number one, which again, really nice size, closet space over there, plenty of light coming in because you've got the two windows in the front of the house. And then we've got the guest bedroom right across the hall. Again, nice size bed. This one they did a little different. They put instead of a dresser, they put a desk in here. So again, just gives you some different ideas of what you can do with the space. It's like real life Pinterest. Here's what you could do with your home. And then you've got obviously this beautiful hallway. So from the front entrance of the house going all the way down, you can see all the way to the back wall. So you've got your hallway down to the laundry room and the garage. But I want to bring you back here because this is really the show-stopping piece. This is the great room. So you've got the great room with the cathedral ceiling. So again, difference, cathedral, kind of do the point, versus a vaulted ceiling is just the one angle, like a divide sign. So you got a really nice look. They did do the recessed lighting in here. They did do the fireplace. So the fireplace is gonna be an option. It's typically an option with all of the builders, but they did some really nice trim detail. They did the accent wall with this, with the darker gray. So again, it all just pops, but then they also did do the base cabinet. So now you've got the built-in component. So that way, you can have all your structured wiring items, and then it's hardwired right in with the HDMI line, above the fireplace, which is nice. And again, with the fireplace, they did do the remote, and you've got a really nice space, which conveniently, when we turn around here, they've got their, gourmet kind of chef kitchen here as well. Now, because this is a 50-foot product versus some of the other Capstone homes that we've looked at already, this is a really big island. You've got 4 chairs that you can sit across here. They did do the quartz upgrade, and they did do that Kohler sink that I absolutely love because I've got that in my own personal house, and I just love all the gadgets and gadgets. And actually, just had a little lunch here, so we're gonna pop that back in place. So there we go. Here you've got the 36-inch gas cooktop with the built-in hood vent into the cabinetry. Obviously, again, with this level, those are all gonna be vented to the outside as well. So again, smoky bacon is going outside. And then you've got the French door refrigerator option, the wall oven with kind of the built-in microwave, with the fancy trim kit. But if you wanted to and you wanted to do a double oven, you could do that, and then they could move the microwave as well. Because as you can see, you've got a lot of upper cabinet space, so there's a lot of room to kind of play with that. And then you also do have pantry right here. So, like any good model, they've got all their sodas and the La Croix waters, which are just so tasty on a hot summer day. And then back here, you've got the morning room option. This is, when you talk to the sales reps at Capstone, the Juliet is one of their most popular plans. But what happens with the Juliet is there's structural options that you can do with this house, which will drive the price up pretty quickly. So like this sunroom, let's call this a $20,000 option. It's true heated square footage for the house, because this is in essence an extension of your kitchen or a four-season room. So you've got all the insulation, you've got all the windows. Now, obviously for this, they did add this kind of bar area as well as an option. So they did do the mini fridge. They've got all the extra base cabinet with the quartz countertops. Otherwise, this space would go all the way to this back wall, and this is where you could have that nice hutch, or you could have a custom built-in, after the fact if you wanted to. But one of the cool things here is they did do the screen and porch option. So let's see if I can maneuver this door right here. So you step out here, just like over in the Ivy, where it had that big covered porch included, they did the concrete slab on this. But again, if you wanted it to be with like a Trex or TimberTech decking, they could easily do that. And the coolest part with this community is the lot size. The lots here are the home sites, if we want to use power words. They are all going to be 3/4 of an acre up to a little over an acre. They've actually got one of their corner lots in here, which is over an acre. So in Canaan Woods in particular, they've got 8 home sites available right now. There was 99 home sites total for the community. It's a little bit more than halfway sold out, or about halfway. And these lots are gorgeous. You're not right in the thick of everything, right there in Lewis and Milton. You're out in the outskirts in Lincoln, but you're still really close. You've got the Bay Health Hospital, which is literally within like 7 minutes from here. You've got the Super Walmart in Milford, that's like 12 minutes, 15 minutes away. So you've got a lot that's really close, but you're gonna have the peace, the quiet. The only road noise you're gonna hear out here is when the trash truck comes every week, or the new construction vehicles. So, great spot to be. Oh, hey, just hanging out here with my succulents and a little aloe because I got some sunburn doing these videos today. But last but not least, here is the primary suite. So, great spot with this is, again, tucked away from the living space, the other guest bedroom, so it's very private. And this is a great size room. So you look at this isn't bumped out. The only options they did here is they did the flooring, they did the 4 recessed lights, and they did the ceiling fan rough in. That's it. Now, obviously the decorators got a little crazy and they did put wallpaper in, but that was for the model purpose. So as we come down to the bathroom, you're gonna see you've got 2 walk-in closets. So you've got one over here, you've got another one with a double door here, which that's a really good space. In my household, I'd call that the hers and hers closets, and my closet's in one of the guest rooms. So then you come in here, you've got your double vanity. They did do the quartz, they did do the frameless shower door, and then did the tile, all the way to the ceiling. But you've got your linen closet, you've got your tile, we've got that patented Capstone, transom window in the shower. They did do the rain shower head, which again is a nice touch. And one of the things too with this is they're gonna have 2 on and off faucets for that. So one's going to the normal shower head, and then one's going to the rain shower head. So if you really want to get spicy, you can put them both on at the same time. So there's no excuse to have any soap suds left on you. And then you obviously have a little area here. So you don't have a separate water closet in this bathroom, but you do have kind of the toilet area. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Capstone Homes here in Canaan Woods. Canaan Woods, really unique community. You've got a couple different builders that are in here. The developers are also held on to some lots that may come to Capstone's way or may go to some of the other builders. They may sell them off down the road. But the nice thing here is over 40 of the home sites have been sold out of the 99. And again, it's not going to be around much longer for sales. So, unless you're looking to buy a resale, if you want to build a brand new house, give me a call. Let's get you scheduled. Let's get you in here. And don't forget, like and subscribe below so that way you're notified for our next video coming up. But hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Juliet model with Capstone Homes, one of the premier semi-custom builders here at the beach. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. Can't wait to see you on the next video.